Behold, this is the elevator here at White Marlin Condos, building number 2, here in Ocean City, Maryland. Yep, it's a Delaware elevator. I mean, it used to be old Otis Series 1, but modernized by, Delaware with innovation Dewhurst. And I'm thinking they have the same Dewhurst fixtures in this one as the White Marlin building number 1 is building B as well. So that's on building A. Unfortunately, can't ride because I need a key to enter. The key to push that button. Oh well. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to subscribe, click on this tab. For more videos, click either one of them.